Dan is probably the most committed youth worker I've worked with, the most determined youth worker I've worked with. Everything that he does is for the young people. The amount of time that he puts in to make sure that the young people have got the service that they deserve, and the time that he wants to dedicate to the job and to them is immense. As much as he tries to do, he always thinks he can do a little bit more. With the reality is he's already given them everything he possibly can and more. So the kids love him. They don't stop following him around. They don't stop shouting his name. They absolutely adore him, and he'll do anything for them. He's a brilliant youth worker, and he's a credit to the service. Still the only youth worker I've ever seen get concussed playing netball with year 9. He's got over that, and he's kept going.
Hi Dan, you deserve this award. The fact that you give up your annual leave and you come in early shows your dedication to the young people and to your role. Congratulations.
Dan absolutely lives and breathes youth work. He is terrific and we all love working with him. The kids adore him. Yeah, he's fantastic.
Congratulations, Dan. You deserve this award. Continue doing what you're doing, and yeah, it's a brilliant, you're a brilliant youth worker, and it's brilliant to work with you.
Well done, Dan Wong! Congratulations, Dan, my bro. Congratulations, Dan. You're the best youth worker ever. You're my favourite.